Imagine a world where your smartphone isn't just smart, it's practically clairvoyant, anticipating your every need. Welcome to the era of the iPhone 16, where the future of technology not only meets expectations but leaps beyond them. The iPhone 16 introduces an array of features that redefine the smartphone experience. At the heart of this revolutionary device lies the A20 Bionic chip, the fastest processor in a smartphone to date. This powerhouse enables seamless multitasking and superior graphics performance, making everything from gaming to professional photo editing feel effortless and more immersive than ever. One of the most striking upgrades is the Dynamic Island Max, a novel expansion of the interactive notch area introduced in previous models. This feature transforms the once static notch into an active, adaptable part of the display. Whether it's showing live sports scores, dynamic weather updates, or real-time traffic alerts, the Dynamic Island Max ensures you have all the information you need right at your fingertips without ever interrupting what you're doing. Photography has also leapt forward with the iPhone 16's triple lens camera system. The new Pro Depth lens adjusts focus after you've taken the photo, giving you the power to tweak foreground and background focus with unprecedented precision. Coupled with advanced AI-driven algorithms, this camera adapts to various lighting conditions to produce professional-grade photographs in any setting. Battery life, often a concern for power users, receives a significant boost. The iPhone 16 boasts an all-day battery life with a smarter, energy-efficient mode that learns your usage patterns to optimize power consumption. This means less time tethered to an outlet and more time engaging with what matters to you. Connectivity reaches new heights with the introduction of Apple's ultra-wideband 6G network capabilities. This advancement not only speeds up internet connectivity, but also enhances the accuracy of location-based services, making apps that rely on precise positioning, like maps and augmented reality, more reliable and effective. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 stands as a titan of technology. With its groundbreaking A20 Bionic chip, Dynamic Island Max, Pro Depth camera system, enhanced battery life, and ultra-wideband 6G, it sets new benchmarks for what a smartphone can do. This device isn't just a step forward in technology, it's a giant leap into the future, reshaping how we interact with our digital world and ensuring that our technology truly makes life easier, more productive, and undeniably exciting.